Welcome to the virtual 2020 CC Global Summit, a space for the open community to build a more equitable, inclusive, and accessible world. Our participants are active and potential members of the Creative Commons Global Network, as well as those involved with like-minded movements regarding open access to data, technology, knowledge, culture, and more. It's not lost on us here at CC that you choose to spend your precious time at this year's summit in the midst of stress, uncertainty, and in some cases, loss. That's why we encourage everyone to take a moment to appreciate what our fellow community members could be up against. For some of us, this means checking our privilege as we interact. Despite everything 2020 has thrown at us, we are here tackling the world's biggest obstacles in health, culture, education, governance, and social justice, and I am in absolute awe of our community. Our volunteers are critical to the success of this event, and they keep coming back. If you've seen them at our in-person events wearing red shirts with the hashtag CCHelps, you'll know our volunteers are some of the most dedicated people. They're driven to help make the CC Global Summit the best experience for our participants that they possibly can. This year, we had over 70 volunteers working to bring you the virtual summit. Being on a screen is weird. Real, meaningful connections are hard to come by, but we're not going to let that hold us back. I encourage you to be genuine, ask your burning questions, have a hard conversation, make space for those who don't have it, and learn something new. This year has been an exercise for many of us in dealing with uncertainty and emotional upheaval, tackling changing priorities, and testing our values. A virtual event provides a unique opportunity to support our global community in new ways and to meet people where they are. For the people joining a CC event for the first time, welcome! We're so glad you're here, wherever you are. This is the biggest event CC has ever hosted, with over 2,000 participants, and we are learning, building, and sometimes figuring it out as we go. To our returning summiteers, I miss high-fiving you, I miss your hugs at the registration desk, I miss tearing up the dance floor. I'm looking forward to seeing you in person again, hopefully sooner than later. But for this week, if there is one thing we can all do in 2020 to sustain the health of our community, it is to reach out and make a connection to help create a positive experience for someone on the other side of the screen. On behalf of the many, many people that have helped bring the virtual CC Summit to life, I want to express my deepest gratitude to you for joining us. Please reach out to us on Slack, on Twitter, or send us a message in our event platform, Hopin. We love hearing from you. We're looking forward to an exciting and challenging week with maybe a few surprises, but not too many. I hate surprises. Let's go create it together.
Greetings, Creative Commoners, to this, our very first virtual summit. For those that don't know me, I'm Catherine Styler and I'm the new Chief Executive Officer of Creative Commons. It's been wonderful since I first started in August to meet so many of you, but there are so many that I have not met yet, and this summit is something I've been truly looking forward to. It's a testament to our community and to our network, how rich the programme is, and I'm so looking forward to both be a part as a contributor. I know there's 140 people all presenting at this conference summit. It's wonderful. And the 2,000 people who have registered for this summit is quite remarkable. So looking forward to the week ahead, there is something really for everyone. And what the strength is shown is that by working together, we achieve more than if we work alone. We see the strength of our community, the strength of our network, the fact that we're working together to unlock knowledge and culture for everyone, everywhere, wherever you are in the world. This is such an amazing group of people and such an amazing community, and I am so proud and honoured to be part of it. So enjoy this first virtual summit. I'm looking forward to meet many of you, and enjoy your week ahead. And I look forward to the conversations, the discussions, the debate, and how we take this movement forward as we enter our 20th anniversary year.